It's like,
Yeah, you're in the
yeah, okay, okay. You need like a move a little bit here, this one. Okay.
That works. You there.
Is it okay? I mean,
Alrighty.
okay, go ahead.
So let's just introduce ourselves individually.
Alright, so I'm Corey Yeager.
I'm Miranda Mace. I'm Carolyn Caltis.
Andrew Cornell.
Laura Wagner.
And for this project, we printed a toy car.
Okay, go ahead.
Our first couple ideas, the car was our original idea, but we also thought about doing an engine. And what was exciting about that was it would be a challenge. It would be cool to see all the moving parts, but we didn't have enough time to do that in SolidWorks. And we also thought about doing a clock, because it's easy to do a 3D print, like little hands and all that, but we had the size measurements of keeping it smaller, so we didn't think it would be easy to 3D print all those little parts. And then also a lot because they had interesting mechanics, but we decided to go with the car anyway. Our initial ideas made the car a little bit too complicated. Like we wanted to have headlights and taillights and open a hood, and the doors were able to open and have the rubber band be able to pull back and move it forward, but we decided to keep it more simple and just have the wheels be able to move the car forward.
So these are some of our initial sketches. So we always were thinking of a wheel, but we didn't want to do these spokes on it because then it would be difficult to have it print those resolutions. So we end up having it just being solid. We were thinking of having a space for a battery to put some headlights in the front and back, and then we were always having like an actual shaft for the wheels to be attached on the ends.
So when we were choosing the design, we wanted to make sure the car was able to move. So our design has 2 axles in the inside of the car, 4 wheels, and then the car body. There goes the tire. And then our design was limited with the dimension restrictions that he applied for us. The height maximum was 5 centimeters. And then our length maximum was 7, and our width maximum was also 5 centimeters.
So we ended up with our final design here, kind of more sketches of it. Basically, we did one solid body for it, and then cut a straight hole through the body for the axle that we printed separately and attached the wheels. He said we could use glue to attach the wheels, so that's what we did.
Go ahead.
And then after we had created our initial drawings of the design, we kind of tried to draw it out in SolidWorks. We tried to make it look like a Mini Cooper, so it wouldn't be as simple as a normal car. So that took a little bit of time.
So these are the final 3 different parts that we designed. We tried to engrave our names in the top to do kind of a roof rack, and then IMSC in the wheels, but the resolution on it was so small it didn't come out.
Alright, so when we use this printer, we did the single FDM nozzle printing, but yeah, unfortunately the parts were so small that we had to make some minor changes to it. Such as like the axle I had to actually sand down because that first layer is so flat. I had to like round it out a little bit more, and so it would fit a little bit easier. We also added some windows, and luckily those printed out really well. It kind of printed out like a screen window, and I was able to just pop that right off. Same with the holes for the wheels. Support structures right there popped out a lot easier than I thought they would as well. And our final product.
Also, you designed some like 2 lines of words here, right? But you cannot make it because the resolution is low.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we tried to have a little bit more fun with it, but yeah, it's just so small that all it really has is just dots.
Mm-hmm.
Those were our names.
Or your names.
Yep.
Okay. How about the
tires.
Yeah.
The tires also didn't
No.
go through.
Because we had to print them.
it's too small, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. Any questions?
need to be whole.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Mm-hmm.